Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and we are back again with another video to help you on your journey with Coturnix quail and becoming more self-sufficient. In this video, we are going to be talking about one of my favorite colors, and that is the brand new PANSY FEE. So I'm very excited about it. If you have not been following our YouTube channel, if you go to our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm, go to the playlist tab, you'll see a playlist called All About the Colors. What we've been doing is we're breaking down every color that we have in every jumbo, and we're giving you all the information that we have gathered through the years and researched. For example, average weight at full maturity, egg size, productivity, lifespan, what they look like, how to sex them, and so much more. So we're trying to give you as much information so that you can be more successful on your journey. Now, before I begin, please support our channel and hit that like button right now for me. Also, if you enjoy this and this is helping you, hit the subscribe button and the bell. The bell will give you notifications on future videos to help you on your journey. For example, our next video will be about our jumbo Egyptians. Also, every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go live right here on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm, and we do a live Q&A. At the very beginning, I give you an egg availability update. So if something says out of stock on our website, then every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I let you know when the estimated time that they'll be back available for you to purchase. And we have a lot of fun, and I try to answer any questions that you have about Coturnix quail. So without further ado, let us begin with the PANSY FEE. The PANSY FEE is a rare color that we have worked on for quite some time now. Very unique in the coloring. Calm down. It is feather sexable. This is that's right, you're learning, it is a hen. We know that for two different reasons. Number one, the feather pattern on the chest, okay? And then also the head kind of blends in with everything else. So we would know that this is a hen, which means at 3 weeks old, we'll be able to tell whether they're males or females. She's very shy now, she's very embarrassed. So that is what that looks like. And then the male looks very similar, but has a couple different markings that are a little bit different than the hens. So this is the male. You can see in his eyes that he's pretty rambunctious. I'm gonna hold him a different way to show you the differences between male and female. Number one, I don't know if you'll be able to tell from the camera, but the head is much darker than the rest of the body. It's kind of like a very dark brown color. So that is one way you'll be able to tell the difference between male and female. Also the chest. As you can see, there are some markings, but it's nothing like the hen. It's more of a gray pattern. Plain is the word I'm looking for. It's a plain pattern, gray plain. Now, what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna grab the hen as well and show you the differences on the chest because I would say out of all the feather sexable ones we have, this is the hardest one to be able to tell. So if you put them side by side, you can definitely tell a difference, but if I only do one or the other, it can be very tricky. So I know that I took a little bit longer. I did get caught up with my words. I had a text message and I was reading that, so I apologize. So we've discussed what they look like, male and female differences, and how to sex them. Average size. I'm very excited about this. We worked on the size before we introduced the new color to the public. It is 9 to 9.5 ounces at full maturity, which is at 10 weeks old. So it's not quite a jumbo, but is definitely much larger than a standard quail. So I'm very excited about that. And the egg size is a pretty good size as well. It's about 12 grams. So I'm very excited about that as well. Hatching true. We've discussed in previous videos what hatching true means. If you would like a better description, you can watch the white wing pharaoh video in this playlist, and I go into depth about that. But it is 78%. So 78 out of every 100 will hatch out PANSY FEE. And then you could also get out of the other, what, 22? Yeah, 22%, you would get pansy, sparkly, pearl, and pharaoh. Now, that doesn't mean that something else won't hatch out of them. I've had an Italian, autumn amber, a silver, Tibetan hatched out once. So random things could hatch out, but those would be the main ones. So what else can hatch out? Classification, it's obviously a rare color. I worked on this for quite some time. I'm very excited that it is now available to everybody. How to get the color. Now, again, this took us 2 years. So I'm going to break this down very simple, but remember it's more complicated than how I can explain it because we worked on it for a very long time. But long story short, I took pearl males, which we already did a video on, with pansy hens, which I've not done a video on. You can see pansy pictures on our website at myshirefarm.com if that will help. But we took pansy hens over pearl males, and we started after about the second generation breeding them together. We got a couple, we started breeding those together. We added pharaoh to it to increase the size, and then breed back to it. But long story short, you want to start with a pearl male and a pansy hen. That's the best result that we got out of it. So I hope that clears that up. Average lifespan is 2 years, so pretty standard on that. And they average 280 to 290 eggs a year. So as far as egg production and lifespan, it's on a standard scale. However, the color is extremely rare, and it's definitely above average in size and egg size when it comes to that. So I'm very excited about this color. I think it's an amazing quail, and I hope that helps. I hope you were entertained. I know I made some mistakes in this video, but it is what it is. So I hope that helps. Remember, every Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go live right here on our YouTube channel to answer any questions and help you on your journey. Remember, the next video I'll be posting is going to be about our jumbo Egyptians. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned. I hope you stay tuned for our next video. Thank you very much. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time, everybody.